Good day, friends. If you want to start applying for high-paying remote AI evaluation or freelance tech roles or on Mercor AI, setting up your account and getting your profile verified properly is your very first move. So first, let's open the registration portal and create your account. So you can just press on login right here. And in here, you can either just sign up with your generic email address, press sign up, don't forget. Okay, so just provide your email or just use your Google account, which I will do here. Okay, I have provided my email. Let's see what's next. So if you use email, Mercor uses passwordless authentication. So jump into your email inbox, open the verification message, and click the magic login link. Right, after that, guys, once verified, you'll be prompted to enter your mobile phone number for security verification so Mercor can confirm your identity and prevent duplicate accounts. Alright, so you just provide your phone number, then insert the 6-digit code sent to a particular number you're using. Right, and after that, when you're logged in, click on your profile and just upload your resume, and then select a clean PDF file under 2 megabytes. And Mercor's automated parser will scan your document to pre-fill your work history, skills, and education details. Review the extracted fields carefully, confirm your full name, location, and LinkedIn profile URL, and fix any passing errors before saving. That is it. Enjoy as always, and subscribe.